wait. You mean after everything we just watched, it's not yet over? Just when we thought the battle was reaching the end, then another banger drops that changes everything. Guys, the final episode of Pa Abraham is pure chaos. Alright, my people, gather here because I have hot gist. Things are about to get darker, deeper, and honestly, more dangerous. If you thought Pa Abraham can easily be defeated, think again. Oh, this man is not just fighting for survival. He's evolving. Strong forces, dark rituals, more control. Like, how do you even defeat someone like this? But wait, the scariest part, time is running out. That 7 days warning we heard before is looking like it's about to expire, and the consequences, we are not even ready. Are you ready for what is coming? Because me, I'm both excited and scared at the same time. So tell me, do you think this is finally where Pa Abraham falls, or he's about to become even more unstoppable? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn notification bell so you don't miss any updates, because trust me, this story is far from over.